Hello everyone, this is AJ from Digital Nuggets, and today we are going to understand that how we can use Warren Buffett 525 rule in finding your niche. So let's first understand that what does that rule talks about. That rule says that make a list of 25 things that you think you are good at or that you think you like doing, and then circle your 5 things or 5 goals of your life that you want to achieve. So now let's put this rule into finding a niche. So what you need to do is that do new things on a daily basis, try 100 different things, and then make a list of 25 goals or 25 things that you or 25 niche that you think you are good at or that you think you are like doing. And then don't go directly from 25 to 5. First try to reduce it to 10. That means cut 10 things out of that list and make it a list of 15 things or 15 goals, and then practice on those 15 goals for at least 3 weeks. Yes, that's what I've been taught by my mentors. Practice 15 things for 3 weeks at least, and then switch to 5 things. Then practice those 5 things, or those 5 goals for at least 2 weeks. Never think that what I can do for 10 years of my life or for 5 years of my life or for 2 years of my life. If you will think that way, you will end up doing nothing. It's a very confusing part to decide that what I can do for a 5-year long plan. It's very easy to decide that what thing I can do for a 2-week small plan. So this is how you can apply 525 rule in finding your niche. But remember this thing, while applying 525 rule in finding your niche, once you have got your 5 big goals or your 5 big things to do in your life, never look on those 20 things. Keep them separate, keep them aside, or you will end up doing nothing. I hope that you will apply 525 rule in finding your niche. Stay tuned and stay updated and learn and grow with AJ only on